Hi guys, it's Jake here from the Unearthed team, and I'm new to the team here, and I just wanted to share with you some ideas around what we've got currently running here at Unearthed with Think Act Differently and Oz Minerals. Think Act Differently, or TAD as we like to call it, is a virtual incubator. And what does that mean for you as an innovator? It basically means that you're going to have first class access to support, funding, and testing capabilities within the Oz Minerals operations. Oz Minerals are one of the really progressive mining houses here in Australia. This collection of challenges is called the Open House. Now, what does the Open House mean? In a nutshell, it means that it's always open. Innovation is always there to be found and move forward with, and we are trying to enable that at all times throughout the year. So within the open house, there are challenges that are currently set up. First off, material movement is about reducing the amount of material that are moved around the mine during the mining process. Now, this could be something that is open pit or underground, or it could be around processing and movement of rocks once they've been mined. This could be anything to do with haulage, conveyor systems, robots, automation, or any vague ingenious engineering ideas that can reduce the amount of material that Oz Minerals and miners are moving around. Second up is slope engineering. I think a lot of people in the room would probably know what it is, but we're looking for people that are involved heavily in geotech, technical engineering, maybe the design of rock bolts, injection systems, maybe even piling and ground engineering, things that are on the fringes of mining. Finally, we've got separation and pre-concentration. It's thinking about new ideas such as chemistry, metallurgy, basically extraction techniques that are outside of the box. They are all aligned in trying to reduce and improve the mining process. If you don't fall into any of these categories, you can just submit via the open house submission form. Please get in touch, jump on the link below, and we can point you in the right direction. It's just 1 week left before the first round closes. Okay guys, so thanks for listening to that. Catch you next time.